Good morning. Oh, so I am so excited today because Matty, cheeky little Matty, just surprised me and said we're going to the elephant sanctuary today. So they have all rescued elephants there and we get to bathe them and feed them and oh, I'm so excited. It's Matty.
That's alright. My pleasure.
But first, a smoothie. So we've just arrived. Wow, so many elephants here. So this elephant here broke her hip when she was in the logging. She's doing logging. She's been here for 2 years now, but she broke her hip.
Like a bat out of hell, and you were slipping on your dress. I was punching holes in a ticket to downtown Nice, where the spirit fled. Away from my body and away from my blood, like a fire that we never lit. Have you ever seen a man so broken as that one man that you were looking at?
Elephants are getting fed. Feeding time. This one here, the one that looks like it has a funky hairdo, is 100% blind. So the one that I was just saying was blind, she was actually at the circus and she became blind from all the flashes from the cameras. How sad is that?
They never do flashes in the elephant's eyes.
Or any animal.
Any animal's eyes.
Yeah, make sure you don't have your flash on because she's 100% blind. She can't see anything now. All the elephants here have been rescued. They've all been abused in previous places, so that's why it's so good to come here. Don't go anywhere where you have to ride the elephants. Come to places like this where they look after them and, you know, treat them with respect.
I swear I'd be a better man. If roses and daisies won't do the trick, I'll create another perfect plan. So I swear to the heavens I'll forget all the past. Just say that you need me again. Have you ever seen a man so broken?
This baby's foot got stuck in an animal trap. They rescued him. Look at it, it looks so sore. Aww.
I just need you. I just need you. I just need you.
Youngest elephant here, little baby one. really struggling with that piece.
Like eating, he's holding it.
There we go. I know he was struggling to pick it up. Two of these elephants walked on landmines, so their feet, like one of their foot has been blown off.
Can't see it, but
Can't
it's
see
like
it.
gone.
It looks really bad.
Oh, poor whatever you call it, foot is off.
Thank you so much, babe.
It's alright.
Oh, this is the best.
So
Look,
awesome
just
here.
chilling with the elephants.
Definitely want to volunteer.
Yeah. Wow.
It's alright.
Oh, nice and sweaty.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the location we're in. Check it out. So beautiful. In the mountains.
Valley in the mountains.
So this is where most of our money goes. So food for the elephants, because they eat 300 to 400 pounds of food a day each. So most of our money goes towards their food. We've got a massive buffet going on here. Carving up. And there's a jackfruit tree right there.
Like you're bad at help, and you were slipping on your dress while I was punching.
So they also rescue cats and dogs here. And oh, don't fall off. You're loving it. It's amazing.
And a ticket to downtown nights where the spirit fled. Away from my body and away from my blood, like a fire that we never lit.
Buddy.
Have you ever seen a man so broken as that one man that you were looking at?
Oh my gosh, he only just fits under here. How's he gonna? He's massive. That's a big boy. He's having a scratch. Time to bathe the elephants.
Try again if you wanted me to. I swear I'd be a better man. Roses and daisies won't do the trick. I'll create another perfect plan. So swear to the heavens I'll forget all the past. Just say that you need me again. Have you ever seen a man so broken as that one man that you won't write back? I just need you. I just need you.
Check this guy out.
I just need you.
baths. They wash all the mud off and then they get covered again. Oh, check this guy out. And then they have a scratch. Oh. Yeah, they cover themselves in mud for natural sunscreen. And now they're having another feed. And this guy's just having a scratch. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, I did not see that one. Look at these guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, he has to sit on it. Oh my gosh. These guys are so funny. Pouring with rain right now.
You probably can't see the rain.
It's pouring. Whoop. You just charged through there. Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh my gosh, I just nearly got trampled again.
So close.
You turn around and they're just right there behind you. Yeah. It's covered in mud. I've touched it. Loving it though. Oh, today has been the best day ever. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'm gonna remember this day ever.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
We'll definitely do
Come
that.
back.
And you were slipping on your dress. Well, I was punching holes in a ticket to downtown Mass, where the spirit fled away from my body and away from my blood.
So we actually just got back from the Elephant Nature Park and now we're going to head out to get some steamed buns, and oh my gosh, I actually had the best day. This has definitely been one of the best days of my life.
Yeah, it was really good.
It was just amazing. Thanks again, Matty.
It's okay.
Oh, this road is so comfy. Made it to the steam bun place.
Food banana.
Yeah, check this out. So those ones are banana custard. And we got 2 taro and 4 mung bean. Stick in all ginjay. Vegan. Tell us a bit. Oh, that's the mung bean one. How is it? Amazing? These are amazing. Seriously, these are the best. So sweet. Think of that. Probably doesn't look that appealing on camera, but that's the shit right there. It's so amazing. This is the mung bean one. So sweet. And Matty's just about to have the taro. Oh, look at that. Bye, see you soon. Well, today has been an amazing day. And yeah, I think I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. And if you like this style of vlogging and my previous vlogs, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And I will see you very soon. Oh, also, don't forget to check out Matty's YouTube channel. He just started one and he has 3 videos up now. So go check them out, give him some love. And yeah.
4 after this one.
Hey?
4 after this one.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 4. He'll have 4 videos now by the time this goes up. And we don't have any Wi-Fi tonight, so... Okay, anyway. We'll see you soon. Bye!